This video takes you inside a fully automated Christmas cake and bakery factory. From raw ingredients to beautifully finished holiday cakes, every step is done by precision machines. You will see how traditional baking meets modern automation. Every movement you see is controlled, measured, and repeatable. This is how Christmas cakes are made at industrial scale. This single production line creates multiple Christmas bakery products. One carefully prepared base can become many different cakes. Automation allows the factory to scale without losing consistency. Every recipe is controlled by software, not guesswork. This is efficiency designed for the holiday season. The heart of every Christmas cake begins with precise mixing. Ingredients are added in a specific order to protect texture and flavor. Automated systems adjust speed, temperature, and timing in real time. This ensures every batch tastes exactly the same. Consistency is the foundation of large-scale baking. Once mixed, the batter is portioned with exact precision. Automated nozzles ensure every cake is the same size and weight. Sensors control flow down to the smallest detail. This step removes human error completely. Uniform filling leads to even baking every time. Baking is controlled through multiple heat zones. Each cake moves at a precise speed through the oven. Temperature and airflow are constantly monitored. This prevents overbaking or uneven texture. The result is a perfectly baked Christmas cake every time. After baking, controlled cooling is essential. Rapid cooling can damage texture and structure. Automated airflow protects moisture inside the cake. Sensors monitor temperature at every stage. This step locks in softness and long shelf life. Every cake is inspected by artificial intelligence. Shape, size, and internal structure are all measured. Only cakes that meet strict standards move forward. This system works faster than human inspection. Quality control happens without slowing production. Syrup infusion adds moisture and deep flavor. Each cake receives the exact amount needed. Injection points are controlled with high precision. This prevents dryness while protecting structure. Flavor is enhanced without overpowering the cake. Icing and glazing are applied with machine precision. Each layer is controlled for thickness and flow. Automated leveling creates a clean finish. The process is fast but extremely gentle. Visual perfection is built step by step. Decoration is done with robotic precision. Every topping is placed exactly where it belongs. Vision systems guide each movement. The result is festive without being random. Holiday style is built through accuracy. After decoration, cakes are prepared in multiple formats. Automated blades create clean, uniform slices. Portions are divided without damaging texture. This allows one product to serve many markets. Flexibility is built into the same production line. Packaging protects freshness and appearance. Every seal is checked for strength and clarity. Labels are applied with exact alignment. Tracking codes ensure full traceability. This is where cakes become retail-ready products. Finished cakes are packed and prepared for transport. Robotic systems handle stacking with precision. Each pallet is balanced for safe shipping. Automation speeds up distribution without errors. From here, products move straight to market. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. Temperature and humidity protect freshness. Every pallet is tracked digitally. Inventory updates happen instantly. Nothing is misplaced or forgotten. Orders are processed and dispatched automatically. Each shipment is tracked from factory to destination. Speed, accuracy, and scale work together. This is how holiday demand is met worldwide. One factory, millions of Christmas moments.